Okay. We are gonna do a taught how to add sound effects to your videos. You have to go to YouTube. Search telephone call sound effect. Now choose the one you like. Click this button. Now click this. So you have to screen record the sound effect. Click the screen record path of the sound effects that you want. Split and delete some of the parts you don't want. Adjust it to fit your video. Now add or do whatever you like on the video 3.
Hello, I came to report that the animatronics do get a little bit quirky at night. Okay, bye!